guys, Jen here from Raven Low and Paper 2. Today's outgoing swap is a Christmas Slim embellishment box hosted by Lacey at the Cheeky Bumm. We were required to use a Dollar Tree pill box to send Christmas themed embellishments in, and we were to decorate the box. That was our only requirements, and anything extra was if we wanted to or not. I am paired with Crafting Con Cruz, and this is everything I am sending to her. For this project, I've decided to use some more of the Louise Studio Jingle All the Way. Like I said before, I believe that this was from like 2021. I bought a whole bunch of it, and when it went on sale after the end of the season, I bought even more of it. So I had a whole bunch left, and I still have even more left, so I'll probably use it again next Christmas. And I just want to go ahead and share with you guys a few things that I bought that I am sharing as gifts, and a few things that I've altered before I get to the actual embellishment box. So the first thing is probably going to be this gift here. I've just wrapped it in a iridescent paper, and I have used the twine from Hobby Lobby that is gold with the sequins on it, and added a little joy tag to it. And that's just a special gift for her. To keep with my Nutcracker theme, I found these cucumber and aloe face mask sheets, and they are they're from Ross, but they had nutcrackers all over them, so I thought they went with the theme really well, so I wanted to include those. I've also fancied up a pair of cozy socks with this little wrap I've made for it, just to gift it a little more fancy here. The centerpiece is a gift tag I've got from like Marshall's a few years ago, and then I used the paper and my Cricut to cut out some little holly leaves to make a wreath around it, and then I've made a little bow, and I think this button is from like Hobby Lobby or Walmart, and I thought it just made it super fancy and made the socks a nice little gift. Also, I decided to gift her a sequin mix, and I actually seen that Craft Purge did this a few days ago before I made my video, and it is just in one of those plastic ornaments from Target, and I've made a pinwheel bow with some ribbon from the Walmart, the tiny little Christmas tree section they have there. And then I've added a Christmas tree cabochon to the middle, and the mix is some whites, some greens, some pinks, some golds and silvers. They just kind of match the collection that I've used here, and she can use it either as an ornament or take out the sequin mix. I went ahead and I used my Cricut to make a card. I found these cute little snow globe and the little nutcracker guy here, and I went ahead and I used my Cricut to print and cut those guys, and then I used my Copics to color, and I added some glitter around the snow globe here and on my nutcracker as well, and then I used some of the diamond dots for little buttons on his outfit, and I've used some sequins. I've sewn those on is the little snowballs falling from the snow globe, just so that they had some sparkle as well. So that's a little card I made. And then there is this little notebook here, and this is from the Dollar Tree, and what I've done is I have just altered the cover here. This is from the Louise Studio. This is the paper, and here are some of the vellum pieces. And oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I'm having a brain fart right now. And here are some of the little cut-aparts from the collection as well. And I have hand-stitched the different leaves on there and added diamond dots for the center. And then I've added some little diamond dots on the little December piece there. And like I said, this is just a regular little notebook thing from the Dollar Tree that I've altered up to make it fit with the collection, because I thought it would be a cute little gift to go along with the gift that I'm sending here. And before I get to the big guy, we have this beautiful one that I made. I wanted to show you the bottom here. It was a drink stir from Pop Shelf, and it says celebrate, and I just cut the little stirry part off the bottom or top, I guess, depends on which way you look at it. And I sanded it down with a nail file, and so then I added a Christmas tree. I got this rosette that I have here. It's actually little stars. I don't know if you can tell that on there, but I got that little die from Temu, and I've added some eyelash trim around there, as well as there is some iridescent thread, and there is some of the snow tulle behind there too. I'm not sure if you can tell because I've got so much going on. And then Santa here is a Spellbinders die, and I went ahead and I've added some glossy accents to these glasses. The glasses were from, like, I think a lion or a tiger birthday party one, but I thought they fit on Santa and it made him a little more unique and cute. And then I added some of the puffy snow stuff from Michael's, and then I put on some glitter on top of it so that he was extra sparkly. I made another one of those pinwheel bows to add to the wand here, and this is another little button. And I've also added some ribbon here, different types of ribbon to the wand. And from the center there, I have a, I also have some pipe cleaners that are this iridescent, and I've rolled them to make them look like little, little spiral, little curly Q things. I'm sorry, my vocabulary is escaping me today. And then from the center hanging, I have a pink sparkly jingle bell. And then if you guys saw on my Instagram, I have these little letters, and they spell out Merry Christmas. And it's hard to tell while I'm holding it. So if you look at that picture on Instagram, I guess I can add that to here. And they spell out Merry Christmas. So it's really cute when it's all put together. And then from the very bottom, from the E here, I'm sorry, I went out of focus. I've added a little snowflake. I'm sorry, my dogs are barking. Let me cut the video until they stop, and I'll show you the embellishment box. Okay, so this is called a Christmas drawer card. I saw it on Cricut, and I thought that I could make it to fit the pillbox from the Dollar Tree. It is designed by Louise Beauregard, and she has a video of how you put together what you cut out with your Cricut, and I can link to all that down below. But I didn't want to have to do the math multiple times to try and figure out how to convert it into Cricut and then pull it out and make it, you know, into an actual product. So I did, I looked at her photos, and I just kind of went from her photos and made my own measurements without my Cricut. So I did it by hand to make it fit the pillbox. So the outside is pretty basic because the inside is very glamorous, and I've just double layered up all of my paper from Rosie's Studio. I have this little sentiment, the joy to the world. I've used some of this trim and some pom-pom trim. When I turn it to the side here, you get like a sneak peek of what's inside, and the back is just kind of plain. But then on this side, I did have to make a chunky dangle because I love chunky dangles. This guy is an ornament from Walmart, I think last year or the year before. I've got snowflakes, I've got Christmas light bulbs. We have, it says icy. I have all kinds of little charms and candies and stuff. I really wanted to make a really glamorous pink, gold, and silver Christmas. Oh, can't forget the jingle bells. Little dangle here because I love to make chunky dangles. So, and that is that guy. All right. So I am going to open this guy, and I don't know if it's going to be as fabulous from this angle. So let me try to do it here. So I added Velcro to the top there so that it could open. And here is what it looks like when it is undone. Here on the front, I've added this little sentiment that says Merry Christmas. Right here in the center, as you see, I have this beautiful little landscape with the trees. I've added some of the little bottle brush trees. Don't remember where I got these from. I think they're the little Tim Holtz trees though, or just, you know, whatever. They might have had some at Hobby Lobby. And then I've done the fake snow from Michaels again, and I've added to the trees, and then I added glitter on top of that to make the little scene perfect. And then on the back here, I have a little pocket, and it says peace, love, and joy. And I put some things in the pocket here, like I'm gifting some gems. And here's a little vellum piece I made with some of the ephemera. And then over here is a little bracelet that I have made for her. Isn't this really adorable? Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. It's just a little bow and some of the crystal beads. And then I made the little package that says Season's Greetings, and I've sewn all around. And then here is the part on the side here where you put your little finger in the ribbon, and voila, your pillbox pulls out. How cute is this guy? And it says Mary with the little thickers, and I've got the little nutcracker paper on there and some little poinsettias. And then there's a little notch so that we can get this guy out. And I've decorated the box all the way around because that was the requirement. And then I have filled this guy with lots of different charms and little bells and little cabochons, and each one is like a different, like this one is silver, this one is gold, this one is white, and I've also done the tops of the little insides of the box as well. Then we have little pink ones over here, and then kind of that brown neutral color, and some of like the wood pieces. Oh, and I forgot this first one here where we have some different little flowers. So I've just filled this embellishment box with lots of fun little stuff. And like I said, I thought this was the cutest idea. I just didn't want to go through and do all the math on the Cricut to make this guy fit, because I needed this guy to fit because this was the whole point of the swap. So I have all that information down if anybody needs any of that, but I will link to her video, and that way if you guys find it in Cricut, you can make it and try and alter it that way. Alright guys, and that is every little fun thing I'm sending to her for her little Christmas gifts for this embellishment box swap. If you guys like everything, please like and follow, subscribe, all that fun little YouTube stuff. If you would rather look at my stuff without hearing me talk about it, I also have TikTok and Instagram where I share pictures of the work I've done. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below, and like I said, I'll try and link to anything specific that has a special link, so you guys can just check out the description box for that. And I hope that you guys like this, and most of all, I hope that she likes this. And I'm not sure if I'll see you guys again before the new year, so if not, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.